Welcome to VortexApp, supported operating systems, iOS 12, iOS 13, and all iOS 14 versions. VortexApp is the third-party App Store with thousands of exclusive apps in one place, all for free. Get it at filevortex.com/vortexapp. And also look below in the comments for the official site link. Try VortexApp on all your iOS devices. VortexApp is a leading iOS App Store++. Top content is ready for you all the time on the platform for iPhone, iPad and iPod, access to the best apps in one place. The third-party App Store with thousands of exclusive apps you can't find elsewhere. We don't say it, it is a fact. VortexApp is the most reliable app installer for iOS. Security is a big focus for VortexApp, with regular checkups on apps and a strict review process. We assure you will not come across any type of malware. Join the party. What are you waiting for? VortexApp is supported on all iPhones, iPads and iPods. Enjoy in the best no jailbreak app store for iOS 12, iOS 13 and iOS 14.
Oh.